Hi, welcome to our video. This is Malathi, Assistant Professor in the Department of Computer Applications PG in Dr. SNS Rajalakshmi College of Arts and Science, Coimbatore. In this video, we are going to see about the topic how do we train a model. If I want to develop a model, how should I train a model to get a 100% accurate result? It covers the topic of data preparation, model selection, training techniques, the evaluation metrics, and deployment strategies for effective machine learning solutions. First, the data collection. If you want to train a model, first we need to collect the data which is relevant to the training of a model from the various sources, ensuring it is representative of the problem you wish to solve. For example, if I'm going to create a model and I need to train a model to perform the task of finding the BMI, I need to insert the data which is relevant to the to calculate the BMI. The data cleaning strategy, it's a next method. It removes the duplication methods and it handles the missing data values. If I insert the data, because I insert the data into raw, and it correct the inconsistencies in the data sets to predict the, if I going to create a model to predict the BMI, it needs height, weight, the age of a person. So it can predict it predicted correctly. So it gets the data which is relevant to all the things, and it ignores all the data which is not relevant to perform the task. Then what is the feature engineering process? We need to select and transform the raw data into features that can perform the and improvise the model's accuracy. When we train the model, we have a separate feature engineering methods. Then according to the decision, it engineers the classification of the types. And the model selection, choosing algorithm, it evaluate and select the appropriate algorithm based on the problem type. And the hyperparameter tuning, it adjusts the algorithm parameter and optimize the performance by itself through the selection process we have selected to train the model. That K4 method, K nearest neighbor method, all these types of model selections, we need to implement it into the model, and it gets the data relevant to the task which is going to be performed, and it predicts the result in accuracy level. Then cross validation method, and it needs to assess we say that it is the asset of the model performance. And what are the training techniques needs to be involved to train a model? Training process, regularization, and batch processing. Training process to fit the model and the validation set to tune the model's performance. And the regularization, like level 1 and level 2 regularization, prevent overfitting the data, and it leads to the performance in the accuracy. Then it helps to maintain the balance between the bias and the variance. The batch processing, this method updates the model weights using small subsets of data, speeding to concurrence. What are the evaluation metrics we use in these types? That accuracy, that precision and recall, and FN score. We need to often measures the predictions, how it is, whether it is correct or not, and it is useful, but it may not reflect performance in imbalanced data sets. And the precision and recall, to understand the model performance, especially in critical applications. And the FN score level. These are the feature trends in machine learning, that is automated machine learning and federated learning and explainable AI. Hope you understand the concept of training a model in this video. Thank you for watching the video.